So if you pre-ordered your Galaxy Note 10 or 10 Plus from Samsung, you have the option to pick what you want. Now, this is a good deal, but since I've placed my pre-order, there's a different deal up now where you can get these and a different smartwatch for only $20 difference. $20 difference. I'm a little agitated with that, but I can't beat this deal. $5.99 for all of this is a pretty good doggone deal to me. So here is the latest Galaxy Fit. I'm actually using the original right here. This is this thing still works. I don't know how many years I've had this. I had it since it came out. Still works, and I also have a Gear S2 Classic as well. So here is the Galaxy Fit Bluetooth. I'm going to pair it with this and start using this, and I'll give you guys a walkthrough and everything like that after I get it paired up. Let's get the big knife. Yeah, so I got both of these free, man, and then they offered a different watch. I was like, the circle, you know, the watch that's round or whatever, they offering that one now. I'm like, they shafted it, bro. They shafted me. So let's see what this is all about. See how big it is compared to the current watch. See, it's something up top right here. Just some instructions or something like this. Yeah, this is just instructions. You guys don't care about that. Pairing these up is actually pretty simple. I've always liked this watch right here, which is why I still have it. I got it in power saving mode. When I'm not at the gym or anything like that, I keep it in power saving mode. It lasts for a very long time, and mine still works. You know what I'm saying? So here is my replacement to this, and I can guarantee you I'll probably have this one for a long time. And this is a lot smaller, man. Wow, this is small. See what else. Got a charger in here. Yeah, it looks like you got a little charger in here and a little charging cradle, and that's it. That's it. Wow. Smooth this off to the side. Might need to use that to power it up. We'll see. But here it is, man. It's got one button on the side. This one has two. Let's see how comfortable this is. It's actually really small, man. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. All right, so let's see how this thing goes. Oh, okay, so you go, wait. Yeah, it goes in like okay, so it goes in like this. It's kind of strange. I already don't like this little band, I can tell. Oh, well, it's all right. Okay, it's cool. It's cool. It's definitely way more lightweight than the original one. Look at how much smaller it is, too. That's crazy. So let's see if it's got some juice. Let's hit this button. It's a little display too, man. I got it upside down. Okay, let's do it again. Maybe that's why I wasn't doing it right. All right, so this is how it goes. All right, so it goes like this. It's crazy. All right, and then it goes inside like this, I guess. Kind of a weird setup. So it says open the Galaxy Wear app, and we'll open it up. We'll go to the Samsung folder and get the Wear app, and that's the Wear app right there. I'm gonna take this off while it's pairing. I don't like this band, man. Already, I'm pretty sure they probably felt like they were engineering something new with this one, but I don't really like this band. So I got a Galaxy Fit. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. You gotta allow just your whole life. It's man, the vibration motor on here is serious. This is way stronger than that one. Even my Gear S2 Classic, the round one, the scroll thing, this vibration is ridiculous. Woo! Yeah, so the setup appears to be a lot faster too from the old school joint right here. It's time to get moving. What the heck? I ain't been inactive for an hour. It's good. I do like that this one has a bigger display, man. So yeah, it's setting up, man, and that's it, man. Paired. Wow, that was quick, man. That was quick. Let's agree to the terms. It's a lot smaller, a lot lighter, but I've always liked this particular. Now it says restore from band backup. I don't think I have any backups in here, but I could check if it's coming from this one over here. It's definitely a better looking display. Even though it's a smaller display, it's obviously a lot more vivid and bright. I can crank the brightness up on here. Crank the brightness all the way up to 10 on here. It's set to outdoor on here. And you can see it's super bright. I never have the brightness up that high though on this old school one right here. I just keep it about like that. But it's nice. All right, so auto backup. Yeah, there were no backups found. I didn't think I had any. So I'm all set. Boom. So it's got different watch faces up here. It's got the battery percentage right here. You got the Samsung Health. You got alarms, weather, quick responses, find my band, all the simple things that come along with it. It's a touch screen too, obviously. The one thing about this that I just don't like so far is just how small the display is, but I understand they're trying to get it compact, you know what I'm saying? So if we go here, let's go here, you can kind of see everything that's there. It's ready to start a workout. When I do my workouts at the gym, it's set to auto. It just automatically picks up what I'm doing. So if we go over here, back up to watch faces, let's see here. There's watch faces. Oh, watch faces. Here we go. These are all the ones I can change it to. You got the red joint. It changes like really, really fast. You got how the weather is outside. Bunch of different ones in here. I like this right here, son. Oh yeah, I like that. I like that right there. Yeah, you can change all these different colors right here. Got the heartbeat, Saturday, got the date, the time. I think I might rock with this one. Yeah, I think I might do that one right here with the date and the time, with the steps. You got all these watch faces that are already on here. That's pretty sweet, man. So yeah, just a quick look at the watch, man. It feels good. I don't like this band though. I'm just keeping it all the way. Let me know if I'm doing this band wrong, but I don't really care for this band. It's too much work to get on and off compared to this one. But yeah, man, I think it's hot, man. It's really nice for it to be. I'm trying to get myself situated here. It's really nice to get it an update. You know what I'm saying? To the old school joint, man. This is the original one, man. I've had this all this time and it still works. It hasn't broken. There's definitely a difference in quality, though. This band feels a lot better than this band. This band feels cheap, you know, but it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I like the bigger display on this one. You know, this one is nice and vivid colors and everything, but it's got always on display. I'm pretty sure I can turn on always on display on here too. But yeah, man, the new watch, I'm loving it. It's the fit. It's all in. I got this when I ordered the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and I got these buds right here, man. I got a case for the buds. I don't know where it's at. Here it is, right here. Galaxy Buds case. I'll be probably hooking this up together. Yeah, we'll probably just do these together right here. But yeah, getting all of this for $5.99 with the trade-in. And I'm not going to use my iPhone 10 anymore. I'll be buying the other iPhone. I was going to keep the iPhone 10 and trade it to Apple, but there's no way Apple is going to give me $600 for that particular phone. So let's power him off. He is done. He has done his job for the last several years. And we're on to this one. This one's lightweight. I feel like I'm going to lose this, though. I'll see how good it does compared to the other one at the gym, though. So I'm going to get this one charged up before I start using it. And, but there it is, man. The Galaxy Fit, Samsung Galaxy Fit. Got this free with my Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I'm enjoying it so far. Take care.